Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to configure your Modbus TCP settings. To begin, you want to make sure that you're on the home screen. Once you are, you can go ahead and click Settings on the left-hand side, and then you can click Communication Settings, and now you are on the communication page. Notice Modbus TCP is turned on. If I go to make any changes, it prompts me letting me know that admin permission is required. I'm going to change to admin by using the drop-down menu at the top, entering my password, and now I'm in admin mode and able to make any changes I need to. I can turn Modbus TCP on or off, as well as edit my IP address and my netmask. And that is how you configure your Modbus TCP settings. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you need any more assistance, please feel free to give us a call or visit us online where you can find a ton of great resources, including more videos, webinars, case studies, manuals, brochures, and more. Again, thanks for watching.